Alright, so what we have here, I don't know if this is a Canarm or Banville or maybe Nader. It is a ventless ceiling fan, so yeah, it could be any of those brand. So yeah, but this is at the same place as the other fan over there. The camp Canteen, the camp that I used to go to when I was younger, when I was little. This fan's been here since then, so these fans are huge childhood fans. As you can see, the blades are really warped on this, like they're really bent, so it's not really good. So it just looks like this fan needs some fixing, but yeah, I don't know how they got warped. This fan is not installed outside on a patio, so I don't know how they got warped. But anyways, the switch is right here for the fan, so turn it on to low, have it set to low. This fan has a really bad capacitor as well. Last time I saw this fan, it was blades were in good shape, and it didn't have this much of a bad capacitor. So yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this fan now. So yeah, the low speed's really slow on this. I think this is about low. Just turn it on to medium. This one also has a bit of a wobble. I remember the last time I was here, this thing wobbled very hard on high and just wobbled a bit on medium, and we always kept it on medium. So I kept begging for it to be tightened up, and I don't know if it ever did get tightened up. I heard it did, but maybe it got loose again. Who knows? And before all that happened, a spring got tangled up in the motor because there was a stuffed animal hanging from the spring, and the spring was hanging on the pull chains on one of them, and some kid just flung it up there while it was running, and then it all got stuck in the motor. It was like over 2 years it was like that, and I begged a maintenance person to fix it, and they finally got around to fixing it. So yeah, this is medium. Like I said, the capacitor isn't really great on this. It has a really bad capacitor, like I said, but this is about medium. Here's high. So yeah, this isn't really high. It looks like it's medium, but it is high. And you can already see it's wobbling a bit. I don't know if you can tell on camera. But yeah, the capacitor is really bad on it since the last time I saw it. It used to go faster than this. And the blades were not that bent the last time I saw it. So this fan needs repair. But anyways, we'll turn it off. Oh shoot, I forgot I can't reach the reverse chain on this because the chain's been pulled off for reverse. Oh great. Yeah, we'll just do the spin down here. Yeah, I don't think spin down's gonna take long on this because how fast it went. Yeah, but these are huge childhood fans, these two fans here. Yeah, but if any of you know what this fan is, if it's Banville or Canarm or Nader, please let me know in the comments below. That'll be appreciated. I think it's about to stop. So yeah, I can't reach the reverse switch, so I'm gonna have to get someone to reverse it for me. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back now. It's set to reverse, so here we go. Actually, yeah, I think I did. No, it is turned off by the switch. Silly me. What am I doing here? Sorry, guys. If it's off, then it wouldn't be turned on here. I don't know what. But yeah, here's reverse. This is high. And medium, which looks like low, but it is medium. I think this is now medium, so we're just gonna go straight to low. Yeah, this thing, like, it moves really slow. Like, I just can't believe how slow it goes now. And I will turn it off now. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.